Happy Easter Sunday and Masters Sunday for those golfers out there. I plan on watching a little bit of golf later on today. Hopefully see a good ending to a good tournament. And we're going to get to your questions. First up today is from Patrick, wondering if I recommend Microsoft Silverlight 2. I don't use Internet Explorer, so I don't use Silverlight. Silverlight is an Internet Explorer only technology where they've come up with their own standard to try to replace Flash, Java, and a few of the other multimedia type platforms that are available for showing video and audio and listening to audio and things like that on the internet. I'm going to assume though that they're making improvements, and Silverlight is a newer technology. Their first version did not work out real well. Some people liked it, many people did not, and I would say that they're probably trying to improve it, so you probably should try to update. Joel, I use Camtasia from techsmith.com for my recordings. And Joomla I've never used. Drupal I used to use, and I loved Drupal. I think Drupal is a great content management system, CMS, but I think you need to be more of a programmer, coder type person to use it. I've recently switched to WordPress, which is much more user-friendly, a lot of more plug-and-play type stuff for people like me who are not webheads. Dave, I'm not sure what to tell you. Go to the website, helpmerick.com, click on the videos. They should start. If they're not starting, you're having some other problem with your computer, because I've not received this message from anyone else. Jacob, what you're going to do is actually going to require two different steps. One is converting the video, and then second, getting some kind of video editing software to put it onto a DVD. As far as converting the video, there is a website out there called keepvid.com. Right here's the website, keepvid.com. It'll help you convert different Flash videos into something you can save onto your computer and then use your video editing software to transfer it to a DVD. Randy, to find the page setup for whatever you're printing, you need to go into File and Print in your program and then go into the Preferences. And the Preferences is usually a button down here. Depending on your version of Windows and the program you're using, the preferences could be in different locations, but look for Preferences, click it. When that comes up, you're going to look for your paper options, which is under usually a paper and quality tab, and in here is where you get to switch the page size to whatever it is that you want to print. Clive, being from Los Angeles, I think you have your work cut out for you to start out small. Start out in a small neighborhood, maybe post up some information on bulletin boards in grocery stores, go into senior centers, things like that, and start posting your information. But the biggest thing that's going to help you is starting to get a couple of clients and then getting word of mouth. Once word of mouth gets going, hopefully you'll have a successful business. Hello, Phyllis. Yes, we had a Gmail class last week, and I'll probably do it again maybe in a year. I don't like to do them too often. If your particular group wants some one-on-one training, you can certainly call me. So just visit helpmerick.com, search for Gmail, and you'll get a lot of answers there as well. Bob, this gives me another opportunity to suggest that you use Firefox instead of Internet Explorer. The other thing you can use in Internet Explorer is do a reset. And by resetting Internet Explorer, you go to Tools, Options, go to the Advanced tab, and there's a Reset button at the bottom of the Advanced tab. If you search on my site for Reset Internet Explorer, I have that tip there as well. James, I would leave the .NET software on your computer. The .NET framework provides a database type platform for many other applications to use, including internet applications and other applications you may have on your computer. So deleting it may affect many other programs. It's not hurting anything. I would leave it there. Paul, I'm not sure where you saw my rating was 3 stars. Maybe where I told you to download it was 3 stars. I personally think Spybot Search and Destroy is a great product and works very well. I would reload the newest version. Or if you're using Mozilla Firefox as your main browser, very rarely if ever going to Internet Explorer, and you're using AVG antivirus, the new version has anti-spyware and antivirus built into it, you're probably going to be pretty good. But it's always good to have another tool in the tool belt. Spybot Search and Destroy is a good one. You'll also notice on my website, under the security section on the right-hand column, I also have Super Anti-Spyware listed there and a couple of others as well. All of them are good. Thanks for writing in this week.